nature's serenity meets modern comfort. As you approach, you'll be captivated by the cabin's picturesque exterior, seamlessly blending with the lush foliage that surrounds it. Step inside and be greeted by the inviting entryway, a space that seamlessly blends rustic charm with modern elegance. The wooden floorboards, adorned with a soft rug, guide you towards a cozy seating area where you can unwind and soak in the natural light that streams through the large windows. Notice the Tosca green accents on the wall, adding a touch of vibrancy to the space. The open-concept living space is a true masterpiece, offering an abundance of natural light and breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding jungle. The Tosca green wall, accented by warm wooden beams, creates a sense of harmony and tranquility, while the plush sofas and comfy armchairs invite you to relax and unwind. It's a space where you can truly immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, with the rustling of leaves and the singing of birds providing a soothing soundtrack. Nestled within the living space, the cozy lounge area offers a tranquil sanctuary for reading, reflection, or simply enjoying the quiet moments. The soft lighting, plush cushions, and Tosca green accents create an inviting ambience, while the large windows provide breathtaking views of the lush jungle canopy. This is a space where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Escape to the tranquil bedroom, a haven of serenity and comfort. The Tosca green accent wall adds a touch of vibrancy to the space, while the soft bedding, natural light streaming in through the windows, and the lush jungle views beyond create a truly relaxing ambience. It's a place where you can unwind and recharge after a day exploring the wonders of nature. The luxurious bathroom is a true sanctuary, offering a spa-like retreat where you can indulge in relaxation and rejuvenation. The Tosca green accents add a touch of vibrancy to the space, while the large windows framing breathtaking jungle views create a truly immersive experience. The freestanding bathtub, walk-in shower, and plush towels invite you to unwind and escape the stresses of everyday life. Step outside onto the expansive deck, an elevated haven for soaking in the breathtaking surroundings. The deck offers panoramic views of the lush jungle canopy, providing a perfect space for enjoying morning coffee, evening cocktails, or simply basking in the tranquility of nature. The Tosca green accents on the deck railings and furniture add a touch of vibrancy to the space. dining area seamlessly blends with the surrounding nature. The large wooden table, with its Tosca green chairs, is positioned right next to the large windows, offering breathtaking views of the jungle. Imagine enjoying delicious meals with loved ones while being serenaded by the sounds of nature. The rustic kitchen is a blend of functionality and natural charm. The wooden countertops, rustic cabinets, and Tosca green backsplash seamlessly blend with the surrounding jungle. The kitchen is equipped with everything you need to prepare delicious meals, and its open layout allows you to enjoy the company of loved ones while you cook. For those seeking a truly unique experience, this charming treehouse loft offers a secluded haven above the jungle canopy. The Tosca green accents add a touch of vibrancy to the space, while the panoramic views of the surrounding forest offer a breathtaking perspective. This is a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Need a space to work or catch up on emails? This cozy home office nook is perfect for those who need a quiet and inspiring workspace. The Tosca green accents add a touch of vibrancy to the space, while the large windows provide breathtaking views of the jungle, ensuring you're surrounded by nature's tranquility as you work. Explore the breathtaking jungle surroundings on the charming nature walkways that wind through the lush foliage. These paths offer an immersive experience, allowing you to reconnect with nature and discover the hidden gems of this vibrant ecosystem. The Tosca green accents along the pathways guide you through the jungle, creating a sense of adventure and tranquility. Gather around the cozy fire pit area, a perfect spot for enjoying evenings with loved ones. The crackling fire creates a warm and inviting ambience, while the Tosca green accents add a touch of vibrancy to the space. This is a place where you can relax, unwind, and share stories under the stars. Ascend to the scenic lookout, a breathtaking viewpoint that offers panoramic vistas of the sprawling jungle canopy. The Tosca green accents add a touch of vibrancy to the space, while the awe-inspiring views create a truly unforgettable experience. This is a place where you can marvel at the beauty of nature and reconnect with the world around you. Indulge in the ultimate relaxation experience in the Hammock Haven, a tranquil retreat nestled amidst the towering trees. The Tosca green accents add a touch of vibrancy to the space, while the gentle swaying of the hammock provides a soothing motion that invites you to unwind and reconnect with nature.